I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hey there. I'm Jessica and I'm really excited to bring you magical tour of the marvelous Praia do Marinheiro beach. If you like this video, please click like. Your likes and comments are greatly appreciated. This amazing beach is located in the Portuguese Paradise of Portugal, and with its tranquil waters, golden sand, and rich culture, it's the perfect place to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. I'm going to begin my beautiful tour by visiting the beach's most popular attraction, the promenade. The perfect place to relax and take in the scenery, the Marina Promenade surrounds the beach like a protective wall, offering the surety of stability and serenity. Taking in the breathtaking views, it's easy to understand why this Portuguese beach is so renowned. From the crystal clear waters to the breathtaking sunsets, it's the perfect place to take a break from the stresses of everyday life. The Praia do Marinheiro beach is full of activities that you can explore, from swimming and sailing to walking tours and snorkeling. There really is something for everyone. But that's not the only thing the beach has to offer. The local restaurants are just as fantastic. A mix of traditional flavors and modern dishes, these restaurants will satisfy any food craving you might have, and the nearby bars provide a great place to unwind. So why not take a break from the everyday and come and relax on this stunning Portuguese beach? With its diverse culture, beautiful natural surroundings, and pleasant climate, Portugal is the perfect destination for a much-needed vacation. If you enjoyed this fantastic tour of the Praia do Marinheiro beach and would like to see more Portuguese paradises, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Thanks so much for joining me on this delightful tour. I'm sure the Praia do Marinheiro beach has left you with many wonderful memories.
Thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.